Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ShowingTime for scheduling coordination step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the ShowingTime registration page. Locate the sign up button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and create a secure password. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from ShowingTime. Open the email and click on the provided confirmation link. This will direct you to the ShowingTime login page. Now, enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in the required fields, such as your name and phone number. Continue by adding your brokerage information, if required. Review all entered details for accuracy before proceeding. Then click on the Save button to finalize your profile setup. Next, navigate to the scheduling settings in your account dashboard. Choose your preferred scheduling options according to your needs. Implement availability settings to ensure you receive requests at your convenience. Make sure to integrate your calendar for streamlined scheduling coordination. After completing all settings, review them to ensure everything is set. Finally, log out and log back in to see your updated profile and settings. You are now fully registered with ShowingTime for scheduling coordination. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.